Alright, watching the 6E. See what this next bar opens. If it's within 5 ticks or less, then I will short it. Alright. Shorted the 6E. Some nice momentum. FT levels. Got a rock star. We didn't need the rock star. Could have just been a speed tick setup, but got the rock star, so even better. Bought. Just hanging out at +4. There we go. +5. Took a little bit to fill, but it got it. Let's get my eyes on the YM. Let's see if we get a rock star on that NQ. Nope. But we sure did on the YM. I did buy the YM. And +5.